welcome to my classroom. My name is Londiwe and I am an English native speaker from the beautiful country South Africa. I am currently doing my master's degree, which I cannot wait to complete. And I have been tutoring for the past 3 years in contact. In my spare time, I enjoy watching movies and I also enjoy reading. My favorite movie has to be The Fast and the Furious, and my favorite book to read is The Alchemist. In my classroom, we will focus on vocabulary, pronunciation, articulation, as well as grammar. We will learn English through conversations. The tutoring experience I have has taught me to be kind and patient when introducing new concepts to students, and that is the teaching style I'll be using. I cannot wait to meet you and help you better your English skills. Bye for now.